Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in a new spot. This is my daughter's room. The reason I'm here is because it's the only clean spot in the house. We've had a super busy weekend and I just have to get this video up, and so I just threw my hair up, put a little lip stuff on, a little mascara, and we're gonna do it. So I'm so happy that you're here, and I'm so excited about this video because Heidi Sonboul from Happily Thriving Heidi invited me to co-host a challenge with her this month, in August. Every week she's going to be hosting a different kind of challenge, and so if you're into that kind of stuff, which is so fun, then go check her out. But for our challenge, we are going to be doing one that is for painting. So it's going to be called DIY Painting Ideas. So when you upload your video of painting whatever you feel like, title it DIY Painting Ideas, and then also in your video just mention that you are participating in this challenge, and mention that Heidi is the host and I am the co-host for it. And I literally am so excited. I am not a painting kind of gal. I'm married to a professional painter, so he does all the painting all the time of everything. So he might make an appearance in my video because he's an expert, and I'm not sure what we're gonna paint yet. So I'm gonna look around. I had an idea, but then I got it and I was like, I think I want to stain it, and that's not painting. So we'll see what happens. But if you're interested in any way, we would love for you to join us, and I cannot wait to see your videos. There will be a playlist linked in my description box, and so when you upload your video, just make sure to upload it to the playlist too. So cannot wait to see you, and again, August 15th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we will see you guys later. Take care.